morning. Today we are going to the town of Santa Maria, which is really enjoyable, but I still have things to do and we need to leave in like a minute. So yeah, we're not gonna go just, you know, trying to do small things where you don't have time for that, but like, you know, you gotta do it anyways, because otherwise you just look like crap. So yeah, anyway, going into the town today, I'm not sure when we're back. Yeah, it's a small town, it's a small island. So I think we have a lot of time to do anything. So yeah. It's a small 15-minute walk, I guess. So we're almost in the town. Just making a pit stop because we gotta meet up with the rest of the group. Because some went on a walk and some went with a taxi. Just went inside a shop and we bought some souvenirs, but they also gave us some free bracelets because their family was from Rotterdam and like the group is from Rotterdam, so nice people here. I would like to show you all the price range of their buildings. So you got a villa over here for 210,000 euros. I would pay in the Netherlands for this like 700,000. It's the forbidden door. So this is what they call the shell cemetery. It's a beach with empty shells. Really pretty. Just so many shells.
He wants to come to you now. Alex? You need to see his face. No, he can't. Did he?
Yeah, he did.
He's marking his territory.
Just a small update, monkey actually peed on me. So, either I smell like monkey pee or I've just been morphed, but I don't know. And I'm going to show you what I got today at the little town. So first we went to like local like shops, and I got some souvenirs for my mom and dad and grandmother, but they're in a different bag, and I don't have that bag with me, so that will be later. We went to a tiny supermarket, and there I got some local made product. This is salt. So this whole island is based around like salt for some reason. The island's name is also salt, so like maybe correlation, I don't know. But anyway, this is salt with pepper and rosemary. As you can see, it's from the island. And I got this tiny bag with coffee, also made on the island. This one's for my grandma because she uses like grounded coffee. I wanted to get like a bag with coffee beans for my parents because they use beans, but they only had like huge bags, and that probably wouldn't fit in my suitcase. So yeah, I got 2 candy sticks. One's sour, I think, or they're both sour, I don't know, but like these are really cute, and they were 20 cents like a packet, so like, you know. And at last I got these chocolate sticks, happy swing rolls. I don't know, just like some rolls you normally put in your ice cream, but with chocolate. And we went to the shell cemetery, and I have a full bag of shells. And maybe it's not really interesting, but like I'm gonna show you anyway. Like the best one I have is this one. It has spikies, and like it's not broken, so like this is one of the better shells. And I got like 4 other big ones. So like I have this one, this one, and this one, and this one. Couldn't help myself. And then I got like some medium-sized ones. Like I've got this tiny one, which is still intact. I got this one, which looks like a mushroom. I got this really pretty one. And I got this one with like nice colors. But these are all natural shells. It's really funny. And then at last, I got these tiny ones. These are all like cute tiny shells. Also, by the way, if it looks like that I've cried, I kind of got emotional tonight, so like that's why it looks like this, but it doesn't matter. I got this tiny one and like 3 tiny ones of, you know, the same kind, and then 3 of the same kind again, but they're cute, and like, you know, they were gonna be destroyed anyway, so why not take them home? It's just fun. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching today's vlog. Tomorrow we're gonna go on an island tour, so that's gonna be really exciting. We got like 6 stops we're gonna make, so yeah, I'm gonna show you all around the island. So see you tomorrow. Bye.